To create a new contact in Quicken LifeHub, start by navigating to the Contacts category in the left-hand navigation bar. Next, click New Item, give your contact a name, and select Create and View. From here, you can add details such as their salutation, role or relation tags, email addresses, phone numbers, mailing addresses, birthdays, and more. You can also upload a profile picture to help you quickly recognize the contact later. If you'd like to upload multiple contacts at once, such as from Google Contacts, Outlook, or your phone, you can import a CSV or VCF file directly into LifeHub. Once your file is processed, select the contacts you want to import and click Import. From there, you can open any imported contact to review or update. As before, you can add tags, additional information, and a profile picture. Finally, you can organize your contacts by adding them to a folder using the Add to Folder section on the right-hand side of the screen.